So far, we've walked through 5 different use cases, each focused on a specific department and the kind of data they typically work with. In general, when we talk about turning data into business value, the process follows a few key steps. First, there's data collection and preparation. This is where you gather information, clean it, and convert it into usable formats. Then comes the middle step, analysis and insight generation. This includes summarizing the data, identifying patterns, and even making predictions. It's what we usually think of as the data science phase. Finally, based on those insights, you decide what actions to take, whether it's improving operations, enhancing service quality, or optimizing your next move. As we've seen, this middle layer is the key to unlocking the full value of your data and getting from insight to action. Now, how do we make it a reality? This is an area many companies are currently exploring with great interest. To bring this kind of framework to life, there are several key considerations that often come up. Today, we've highlighted 3 major ones that many organizations focus on. Let's take a closer look at each of these.